Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on Instagram. When you click on the messages on the top right, you can see the online status of anyone. Here you can see that my status is showing in green color on the profile. If you don't want to show your online status, you can disable this option. To disable it, what you need to do is at the bottom right, you need to click on your profile icon, and at the top right, you can see the three lines. Click on that. At the bottom, you will have a option called as settings. Click on that. Under settings, you will have privacy. Under privacy, you will have an option called as activity status. Click on that. Under activity status, you can see that my activity status is enabled, and you can see the green color dot. It means that I am online. If you want to hide your online status, you need to simply disable this show activity status. Once you disable the show activity status on your phone, click on messages again, and here you can see that it is not showing online. Previously it was showing online green color button, but now it is not showing green color icon. But on my other phone you can see that I am online and I am using Instagram, but here it is not showing up. So that's it guys. In this way you can hide your online status on Instagram. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.